Hello everyone. In this video, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, and I'll show you how to use Thunderbird email application, email client application with your cPanel email accounts. To demonstrate that, I've created an email which is test@t1experts.com.au, and I know the password, or so anyone should know the password and the email address to use it with a Thunderbird Mozilla Thunderbird email application. So, and then go to Thunderbird website and download the app. So I have downloaded the Thunderbird desktop application. So you come here and then download, and I've got the installer. And I have actually installed the application already, so I'll go straight there, and I'll just open it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you from scratch, so I'll just delete that. Get it? Okay. Okay, so as you've opened the Thunderbird app, you click on Create plus New Account, click on Mail Account. Now you just type in your name. I'm just typing in just the test, and then test at experts.com.au, the password. Looking up for configuration, and it's found it. It's automatic, you don't have to do anything. And done. It's taking the password and it's connected. Alright, so finish, and there you go, you have your email, and you can see some email already coming up to the inbox, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Thank you everyone. Have a good one.